How's it going, guys? This is Fred over at UTV Obsessions. Today we're going to show you how to adjust the Keller ball joints. So after you get them installed and you've torqued the top cap down to 150 foot-pounds, make sure this is nice and loose. What you want to do is you want to run the 19mm nut all the way up so it's all nice and free, and then you're going to take your 1/4 inch Allen wrench and you want to run that screw all the way down to the point that the ball joint doesn't move anymore. Then bring your lock nut down and torque it down to 50 foot-pounds, but you want to do is you want to pull that back just a 1/16 of a rotation. And then torque her down to 50 foot-pounds. It should be nice and loose. And then after about 150 miles, what you're going to want to do is just double check them and just retorque them down, doing the same procedure. And that is how you get your ball joints nice and adjusted.